In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see price history on Google Flights. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the price graph and how to use it to spot deals with confidence. Start by opening Google Flights in your web browser. You don't need any special software, and this works best in an up-to-date browser. If the site loads in a different language or region, that's okay. Google Flights will still show the features we need. Sign in to your Google account. While you can browse without signing in, being signed in helps keep your preferences and makes it easier to revisit searches later. Choose your account and continue through the sign-in prompts so you return to the Google Flights homepage. Next, set your departure location. Click in the box that says where you're flying from and begin typing your city or airport. Pick the correct option from the suggestions so Google Flights can show accurate availability. Then, click in the destination box and search for where you're going. Again, select the match from the list. Now choose your dates. Click the date field to open the calendar. Select your departure date first, then your return date if you're planning a round trip. If your dates are flexible, glance across the calendar. You'll see prices embedded on many days, which is a quick way to spot cheaper windows. When you're happy with your dates, click Done to lock them in. Hit the search button to load available options. This will show you flights from different airlines, filters, and more. To get to the price history tools, start scrolling down the page. You're looking for the section that highlights pricing insights. This is where Google Flights surfaces the price graph and historical context for your route and dates. When you see the price graph option, click it. The graph displays fares over a range of dates or trip lengths, so you can compare prices at a glance. Hover or tap along the graph to see the exact fare for each day. If there's a trip length slider, use it to test how shifting your return by a day or two affects the total price. This is especially helpful if your schedule is flexible and you want to find a sweet spot between timing and cost. If the graph suggests prices are higher or lower than usual, use that as a guide. You can keep your current dates if they work best, or adjust your search dates and rerun the results to see updated prices. That's it. Open Google Flights, sign in, set your route and dates, search, then scroll and open the price graph to explore price history and trends.